How to use the emoji menu on a Windows 11 device. You can open an emoji menu in Windows 11 to quickly and easily add emojis to your posts, emails, or text files. The emoji menu can be opened in a few ways. One option is to use your browser search bar. To open the emoji menu, right-click in the browser search bar. Click Emoji to open the emoji menu. The second option is to use the keyboard shortcut. You will need to be in an area on your PC where you can type something, such as a text document, an email, or a social media post. Place your cursor where you want to add an emoji. Click the Windows key and the period key on your keyboard. The emoji menu will open. The most recently used emojis display. You can also add additional options such as GIFs, cow emojis, and symbols. To access the emoji categories, click the side arrow. You can then scroll through the full list of emojis to find the one you want. You can also search for a specific emoji by entering a keyword related to the emoji you're looking for in the emoji menu search bar. A list of emojis based on your search term will be displayed. Click an emoji to insert it into your document or post. You can open the emoji menu in a similar way using the virtual keyboard. To access the virtual keyboard, first click Start. Access the Settings menu, then click on Accessibility. Scroll down to the Interaction section and select Keyboard. From the keyboard menu, scroll down until you find the option to open the virtual keyboard. You can then activate the virtual keyboard via the toggle. To open the emoji menu via the virtual keyboard, click the Windows button, then the period button. You can then select the emojis you want to use.